In this video, we'll be showing why the Homeline tandem circuit breakers do not fit in all of the old non-plug-on neutral style Homeline load centers. Before installing the circuit breakers, make sure to consult the safety information provided with both the breakers and the load center, and make sure never to work on energized equipment. You will see that the notch on the Homeline tandem breaker is shallower than the notch on the Homeline standard breaker. You'll see that this space has a notch in it. This will allow the Homeline tandem breaker to slide fully onto the bus, whereas this spot does not have the notch. Therefore, the tandem breaker will not be able to fully slide onto the bus, and therefore the dead front will not fit properly on the load center.